Hey man, how's it going? You guys took off on us.
Oh yeah. Alright, what up guys? Welcome to another video. We just got into Edmonton right now for Edmonton Driven. We are rolling in. Oh, it's the man.
Hey boys.
Man. How's it going?
Man.
That was Sean right there. He is the man you want to talk to if you want to get Zestino tires. So yeah, by the way, everyone should get Zestino tires. They're the best tires I've ever had. I've driven like 16,000 kilometers on these tires now, and you can't even tell that they've been used yet. So yeah, just a subtle note, you should probably get Zestinos. But yeah, we are rolling in right now. Got the big entrance sign right there. For those of you that don't know, Driven Edmonton is like in an underground parkade, so that's kind of cool. It's like got a Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift kind of feel to it. It's gonna be dope. But yeah, we just cruised up with a bunch of cars, which you saw in that little edit at the beginning. And yeah, in terms of like 403 Media and like who's in the show for us, it's just me, Johnny, the white STI, Calvin is back there somewhere, and then obviously Brent too. So yeah, we're gonna go get the cars set up in the booth and stuff. I guess there's a bit of a steep angle to get into here. My car wasn't in this show last year, so we'll see how this goes. Johnny somewhat got in okay, so I think my lip is like maybe like half an inch or even less lower than Johnny. Hopefully I don't fuck my shit up, because my car has survived this far and I'd be really pissed if I just destroy my bumper right now. Worst comes to worst, it just falls off like it always does. Everyone always makes fun of me for that anyway. So, whatever man. Sometimes it happens.
Say what's up.
We're gonna fuck.
Yeah, you come to me. There you go. Keep coming. Keep coming. Crank it that way. Everything. There you go. There we go. Okay. Back to you, right? Yeah, back to that way. Back. Perfect. Crank it. Nope, don't go straight. Crank it all the way. There you go. There you go. There you go.
We made it. We made it. Just. That's very helpful to have them there. I would have destroyed myself. Oh, you can't see anything. Oh yeah. This is sick. People are already. There's a lot of people here already. Rolling started at 10. It's 10:32 right now, so we're not late by any means, but definitely not the first ones here. Wild Calvin on the hunt. On the hunt for Tim Hortons. Much needed as always. So being a vegan, what are you gonna get here?
I'm hoping they've got diet Caesar salad without the Caesar. Preferably that like homegrown cabbage or
This thing is insane. Full Varis interior. So crazy. So the show's pretty much wrapping up right now. I waited to the end to vlog and I filmed a lot of the B-roll at the end as well, just because there was way too many people and the music was way too loud to vlog or film anything earlier. All the shots, so it was taking like 10 tries to get one shot, so I just waited to the end. But yeah, everything's kind of wrapping up right now. I'm gonna walk around, show you guys some of the dopest cars, because no one's left yet, but I think it's close to the public now, I'm not sure, but this is our little spot. They just took the tent down. Calvin, Johnny, Brent. Oh. I got my car here. I left the underglow on my car for the whole show, and actually my battery hasn't died yet, which is dope. So yeah, not a bad spot at all. People were walking like down here, and then this is what they would see when they came around the corner. We got Josh here taking photos, making an appearance in the videos. Normally on the other side of the videos, but here he is joining me on my walk around. Shooting photos. Oh, my battery's dying. Liberty Walk Maserati with a really cool color wrap that I will forever love. And we got all the locals boys over here. Hey man. Getting all wrapped up?
Yeah, are you filming?
I'm filming.
You filming?
We're live.
Nah, you're rolling.
All the locals boys, Alex's car, David's car.
What's happening, buddy?
Hey man.
Hey guys.
Making an appearance. It's been a while.
Yeah.
See the shots.
What shot?
Oh. I think they're about to get awards started like right over there right now, so I'm gonna take advantage of everyone being over there and continue walking around and showing you guys the coolest stuff. There's some really cool RB26 350s over here that I'm gonna go to. This show really has like a Tokyo Drift feel to it. I really liked it opposed to all the other driven shows. Apparently this car has like 18,000 horsepower or something crazy like that. I believe it though. By far my favorite car here. This Rocket Bunny S13 is literally just insane. So clean, just perfectly done. And then this is like a super clean swap of an RB26 into this 350, and it looks unreal. Also one of my dream cars, one day I will have a 280. Super clean as well. Got the carbon flares. Another Unreal S chassis. God damn, that color is sick. I find it really hard to film shows like this because there's just so many cars that it's impossible to really show you guys how many like high quality insane cars are here. But I'm doing my best. This place is actually huge. I feel like this is definitely probably the biggest venue, I'd say. Actually, no, not the biggest venue, but probably the most cars. Another one. Got @STI Lyle on Instagram. Go toss him a follow. I think Logan and Johnny are gonna shoot with him tomorrow here in Edmonton, but I think I gotta head home tonight. Mario's got his truck flexing over here. Actually, such a dope truck. Like, I love Tacomas. Lots of people don't like Tacomas just because, I don't know, they're a small truck, but definitely, probably my favorite truck. Alright guys, so they just finished awards. We are just waiting until we're allowed to roll out of here. There's only like one exit out of here, so we have to wait. And there's a lot of cars in here. So chances are it's gonna be a while, and then I think we're gonna go get some food before we hop on the road and head back to Calgary. So yeah, that's the plan. Awards was dope. All the cars that won definitely deserved it, so congrats to all you guys. And yeah.
Great. If you want to go a little further, Girl View is great. Hey, turn it this way. Keep coming, keep coming. You're good.